Good afternoon and welcome to another Project Bimmer video, my 1995 BMW 318i Saloon. In this video we're going to be fitting these Powerflex bushes to the rear trailing arms. But before I can work on my BMW, I've got to work on this BMW. You've seen it before, the F10 318, not F10, F30 318. The owner had a blowout yesterday and he doesn't have enough spare, so he got it recovered here so I could get it sorted out. So I'll get this wheel off, take it down to the tyre place and get a replacement. Right, well, I can't jack it up on the usual jacking point because it's too low down because of the deflated tyre, so I'll have to pick up one of the suspension mounts. And I might not be able to do that neither, so I'll probably have to use the factory jack. Well, it doesn't have a jack in the boot because it doesn't have a spare wheel because the front and the rear tyres are slightly different sizes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive it up on some pieces of wood to give me a little bit more clearance and I can get the jack under. See how it goes. Move you guys, and hopefully that gives me a little bit more room to get the jack under, and it does. As you can see, it's blown the tyre out completely, so there's no repairing that. I'm checking up into the wrong spot. Now I'm going to the jacking point, that usually helps. There we go. There we go, it helps if I jack in the right spot. And then get an actual stand underneath. But first, get this wheel off, and I've got the beast. Typical, it's stuck on the rim. So just try kick it off, that's not going to work. Well, I'll come back to you, then we're going to have to take drastic measures to get this wheel off. So the wheel's off, it's on the axle stand, just check it, yep, that's safe and secure. So get this tyre replaced, just stick it back at Citroen and we'll go down, and once that's done I can start working on my BMW. So that's replacement tyre fitted, that's all sorted. I can now move on to my BMW. So I'm finally ready to start work on my BMW, so I'll get the back end up in the air, get the wheels off, and we'll get the end of the trailing arm out, and you can see what's going to be what. So you should be able to see that this bush, it's just moving around in there. There's movement and it's throwing it all out. So we've got our new Powerflex bushes, we'll see if they locate them in the axle a bit better. So this is what comes in the kit. We have 4 of these, which makes one bush, and then we have the stainless tube that goes in between them to keep it all together, and the bolt just goes through there. So just make sure that bolt will fit through. Yep, that's all good, don't have to worry about that. And I've also got some assembly grease which will come in useful, just makes things a bit easier. So I'll just take it at trailing arm and show you how it all comes together. So with all that in, you can see there's going to be no movement there. It's going to tighten things up. It'll handle like an M3 time I've done. So I'll get this all buttoned up, and then I'll do it on the side as well. So that's one side all buttoned up, and that is going nowhere. That's not going to move. So that's tightened it up already. So I'll get the other side done, and then we'll take it for a road test and see how it performs. So now's the time for a road test. So take it for a run, and we'll see what it's like with the new bushes. And this car's just hit 98,000 miles exactly, and all verified by every single MOT certificate. So let's get going. Yes, it does feel better already, because there's a bit of a juddering, I think, that them rear trailing arm bushes had something to do with it. Well, definitely feeling a lot better. No knocking noise, and the rear end doesn't feel dodgy like it did before. So I say that was a definite improvement. So I think we'll confirm this one is fixed. So I'll end the video here on the road. Hope you enjoyed this one. Would I recommend Powerflex bushes? Absolutely. Worth every penny. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell and you get notified of videos. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.